Today is the history of a freedom fighter without whom we can't narrate the history of freedom struggle in India. Today is the history of national hero Subhash Chandra Bose, who restored the Indian National Army, who had been captured in Battle of Singapore with the help of Japan. Born on 23rd Jan 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, to Prabhavati Devi and Janakinath Bose, who is a famous lawyer. Among the 14 siblings, he was the 9th child. Right from his childhood, he was a bright student and was strongly influenced by Swami Vivekananda's teachings and was known for his patriotic zeal as a student. He went to England to accomplish his parents' desire to appear in the Indian civil services. In 1920, he appeared for the competitive exam and stood 4th in the order of merit. After reading so many incidents about the exploitation of the fellow Indians by the British, his urge for participating in the freedom movement was intense that in April 1921, he left his civil services apprenticeship midway and returned to India. He then joined the Indian National Congress and worked under the leadership of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, who later became his political guru. Bose elected as the president of the Youth Wing Party. Later, he was expelled from Congress leadership position in 1939, following differences with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Netaji was against rendering any kind of help to the British during the World War II. So, he started a mass movement against utilizing Indian resources and men for the Great War. There was a tremendous response to his call, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Consequently, British imprisoned him. In jail, he declared a hunger strike. When his health deteriorated, the authorities, fearing violent reactions, released him but put him under house arrest. Bose made a planned escape and reached Berlin, Germany. He sought assistance from Nazi leadership in Germany and imperial forces in Japan during the World War II to overthrow the British from India. Bose took command over 40,000 soldiers recruited from Singapore and other Southeast Asian regions. He called his army the Indian National Army and also Azad Hind Fauj. Indian National Army freed the Andaman and Nicobar Islands from the British and were renamed as Swaraj and Shahid Islands. A provisional Azad Hind government started functioning in the captured territories. The Indian National Army stayed for India and crossed Burma border and stood on Indian soil on March 18, 1944. Unfortunately, when Japan and Germany were defeated in the Second World War, and as a result, the Indian National Army could not fulfill its objective, which forced Bose to call off further advancement. He is said to have died from third-degree burns when his plane crashed in Taiwan on 18 August 1945. However, his body was never recovered and there are many conspiracies surrounding his death. Subhash Chandra Bose is one of the most celebrated national heroes who earned the honorific title Netaji and whose slogan even today gives us goosebumps, "Jai Hind and you give me blood, I will give you freedom." Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.